Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to make a magic circle. So magic circle, this flower uses a magic circle. With magic circle we can create any flowers or any circle pattern. Let's see how to get started. So for this we need a woolen yarn. I'm taking an acrylic yarn and take the crochet hook which is available for this yarn. So I'm taking 2.5 mm crochet hook. So take the tail end of the yarn. This is the running yarn, this is the tail end. Bring it around your index finger like this. Hold the tail end with your thumb and middle finger, then bring the thread along your index finger and then make an X mark here. So now we have created a X pattern. So with this, insert the crochet hook and bring the yarn. See? Bring the yarn into the circle which is formed. So this is a circle, right? So you can hold this with your thumb finger and the loop we just created. See, this is going to be adjusted in length over and pull through the loop. So we can just make it tight. So this is a magic circle. It can be removed by pulling the thread. Let's do it one more time. Take the tail end of the yarn, bring it around your index finger to form an X mark, and then insert the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook and bring the yarn. Bring the running yarn like this. Then using a thumb finger, you can just hold it tight and then yarn over, pull through this loop. Now this forms a slip knot in the magic circle. So in order to take this pattern, let's see how to make it. First, two chains and then yarn over, insert into the magic loop, pull through the running yarn. Now we have three loops here, 1, 2 and 3. We are going to create a double crochet here. So we have three loops here, yarn over, pull through first two loops. Then we have two more loops here. You have to yarn over and pull through those two loops as well. So this forms a double crochet. I'm going to make 11 such double crochet. In total there has to be 12. This is the first two chain are considered as one double crochet and this is one double crochet. This is second. Then I'm going to make 10 more double crochet here. So yarn over, insert into the magic, you can hold the magic circle over here, insert into the magic circle, yarn over and pull through to get three loops, then yarn over, pull through the first two loops and then the remaining two loops, yarn over, insert into the circle, yarn over, pull through. So while you are doing it will be very comfortable if you hold the thread over here rather than here. It will give you a very neat pattern. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we have got three double crochets plus the beginning two chain stitch. So in total 4. I'm gonna make 8. Made 11 double crochets here. I'm going to make one more to make 12. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the 12th one is the two chains we just created at the beginning. So now the circle is big, so we can pull the string off to shrink the size of the circle. So if you hold it over here and then keep pulling it, it's going to shrink in size. And now I'm going to complete this circle by finding the third chain here. So that will be the beginning of the first, that will be technically the beginning of the first, say, double crochet. So I'm inserting into the first chain, into the space that is below the first chain. I'm not inserting inside the chain. So if you insert here, it's like inserting into the chain. So rather I'm just inserting below the two strands of the chain, and then yarn over, pull through, and pull through the one loop. This is called as a slip stitch. So now we have got a circle here, so you can rather decrease the size even more. Yeah, so this is how we create a magic circle. So this circle can be used as a pattern, basic thing for any circular pattern or flowers like this. And one more thing I wanted to mention is, instead of double crochet, you can try triple crochet. You can try single crochet based on the pattern you're trying to do with this magic circle. I hope you like this video. Please share this video if you feel this video is really helpful for you. uh, Hope to see you in next video soon. Thank you so much for watching.